Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a PR haul with you guys. Now I know this is not something that everybody is enjoying. A lot of people have said that they are over the PR hauls. So if this video is not for you, don't worry, I do still post 6 videos a week, so you can always check out tomorrow's video. But as you guys know, we are preparing to move. I get my keys for the new place today. So I only have a few days left and I have all this PR that I wanted to share with you guys. And normally I would share it in other ways since I know a lot of you don't like PR hauls, but I need to pack this stuff up. So I was like, you know, I didn't know what else to film right now because it's getting real hard to film with everything packed up and I feel like everything is in disarray right now. But I had all of these packages sitting here and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to sit down and I'm going to share this with you guys because I really want to show you guys some things that I got. Plus I am going to be doing a giveaway in this video as well, so I hope you guys enjoy that part of it. But yeah, so like I said, I have a few things here to share with you. Most of this came from Octoly. That is, as I've told you guys before, that is where I get most of my PR from. I have done a video where I talk all in depth about what Octoly is and I'll link that above, but essentially if you are an Instagrammer or a YouTuber and you have, I think it's at least 1,000 followers, there's some other requirements, but then you can sign up for Octoly and then you can apply for different campaigns that you can try out products from. You do have to apply for the campaigns. I don't get approved for everyone I apply for, but because I'm so active on the platform and I'm always really good about getting my reviews done, I think I have a higher ranking on there because now I get approved for most of what I apply for. So, but yeah, anyway, that's what Octoly is. Most of this came from there. I do also have a Boxycharm here to share with you guys. They just added me to their PR list this month, which I'm so excited about because I love Boxycharm and I've been subscribed to it for years now. I want to say like 3 years? I don't know. It's been a long time. And I've always bought it with my own money. And then this month they sent me one, but I also have one coming that I paid for. So since I have an extra, I thought I would do a giveaway for that. So that's going to be in here as well. And then I also have a lovely gift that a subscriber sent me. So without any more talking, let's just jump in. So I want to start actually with the gift I got from a subscriber because it was so sweet of her to send this to me. Her name is Trish and she actually sells Mary Kay. So she sent me 2 products, which I've already popped out in there in a Z palette. I'll show you guys. But she sent me a blush, which is the shade, I think it's just called Shy Blush. I tried it yesterday. It's gorgeous. It looks like NARS Orgasm. It's so pretty. And then she sent me an eyeshadow which is called Driftwood. So here they are in the Z palette. So this is the eyeshadow, Driftwood eyeshadow. It's just a matte brown. It kind of has a cooler undertone. And then this is the blush, which as I mentioned, it looks a lot like NARS Orgasm. It's that really beautiful, it's a really beautiful pink with like a peach shimmer running through it. It's so beautiful. I really enjoyed that. Like I said, she does sell Mary Kay, so I'm going to put a link down below to her page in case you want to buy anything from her. And then this I think I've showed you guys already. This palette I actually received from Chrisanna and Cosmetics and she sent me a few single shadows, which are what else is in here. So yeah, that I did receive. And then I was so excited. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but I wanted to share it with you guys here as well. I did get a package from Farsali. I was so excited because I just mentioned it in products that I've never tried, cult favorite products I've never tried. And they sent me their whole line after they heard I hadn't tried anything. So they sent me the Volcanic Elixir, which I have not tried yet. And then the Jelly Beam Highlight, which again, I haven't tried this either. And then the other 2 products I have tried. The first one here is the Rose Gold Elixir. I've been trying this. I'm really enjoying it so far. They smell amazing. They smell so good, you guys. And then also the Unicorn Essence. So these 2 I've been playing with a little bit. The other 2 I have not tried yet. So that was a really exciting package from Farsali. And then for some of the Octoly stuff, this is so cool. Where is the little card I got with this? I wanted to, what did I do with it? I am so disorganized right now. I cannot find anything. Everything is like disappearing. I feel like I'm just in, yeah. I can't even think of words. Even words are disappearing from my brain. So anyways, I can't find the card. I just pulled it out so I could talk about it, but this is from a brand called Tan Luxe, and it is they call it the water. It's a hydrating self-tanning water. So as you can see, this is clear, but it's a self-tanner. So when I saw this, I was like, what the heck is that? Is that like a primer, like something you maybe spray to hydrate your skin before you use the self-tanner? But no, this is actually a self tanner. Now I haven't tried it yet. I just got it yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to try it, but I'm definitely gonna be using this right away. I am so intrigued by it. I wanna know if it works, and I like self tanning, but I just struggle with self tanning. I find it really difficult to get it even and not to get it like patchy on my hands, even with the glove, or like it'll get messy in my shower if I use the spray kind. So I'm not very good with self tanner, but I thought this sounded foolproof, right? So I'm really excited to try this. I will definitely be giving you guys an update on it once I've had a chance to play with it a little bit, but I think it's such a cool and unique product. The next thing that I received is from Patchology. Again, this is an Octoly find here. This is their Posh Peel Pedicure exfoliating feet mask. I am so excited for this. My feet are so dry and cracked right now, and we are heading into spring. It's starting to get nice here, and I definitely want my feet to be spring ready, sandal ready, beach ready, all of that. So I'm definitely going to be breaking into these very, very soon, probably after the move, because like I said, everything is a mess right now, but I'll probably be packing these up and trying them in a couple of days once we move. But very excited to give those a try. I actually have another video coming up that I'm going to be working with Patchology. I've been using a lot of their products recently and really found some winners from their line. Sorry if I sound stuffed up. I have a little cold. All right, the next thing, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this as well. This is from Flower Beauty. So I told you guys several times now, I've been wanting to try some products from Flower Beauty this year. It's one of the brands on my list to try in 2018. I think I've only tried one product from them, and it was years ago. I tried one of their glosses like 4 years ago. So I haven't tried it very much from them. And I saw this mascara on my Octoly store, and I applied for it, and I'm so excited. So this is called the Lash Warrior. Now I did try this yesterday, and so far I'm not sure how I feel about it. It is more of a lengthening rather than volumizing mascara. And you guys know I'm all about the volume. So for me, this is probably going to be one that I have to layer with something else. But the wand reminds me a little bit of the Roller Lash. It has that very synthetic wand with a little bit of a, like a swoop to it, a little bit curved. But I don't know. I'm going to play with this more, and I'll definitely get back to you guys on it. All right, the next thing that I received from Octoly is from Koki. Koki? Am I saying that right? Koki or Koki Cosmetics. They sent me this 2-piece set of brushes. This brush here is the number 620. I really like the shape of this. It's got that really nice tapered shape, and it's very, very soft, by the way. I know I have another brush similar to this, but I can't think of what it is. Anyways, most of my brushes are packed at this point, but this is something I would definitely use as a highlighting brush. I like that kind of shape for a highlighting brush over a fan brush. I think it does a better job. So I'm definitely going to be trying it for that. By the way, this is the number 620 brush, and that's what that looks like. So definitely excited to play with this a little bit. And then the other brush they sent me is called the 622. This one is a really flat brush. It kind of, to me, I would use this either as like a concealer brush, or I would use it to pat on maybe like a glitter shadow on top of like a glitter glue or something like that to really like press it in there. Either a concealer brush or like for glitter, like I mentioned. All right, lots of Octoly products, more than I thought I had. Next up, I do have a palette from Sleek. This is their highlighting palette. So when I ordered this, I didn't realize that it was both cream and powder in one. You guys know how I feel about cream cheek products. It's not my thing, but there are some powders in here as well. So I'll show you guys. The outer packaging is really beautiful, and if you're not familiar, Sleek is a European like drugstore brand, but they do sell it now at Ulta, so it's easier to get your hands on than it used to be years ago. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, this one here and this one here are powders, and then these three diagonally here are all cream. So I have not played with this yet. I just got this one in the mail yesterday as well, but I will definitely be playing with it a little bit more. They seem like they are a little more on the subtle side as far as a highlighters, just from swatching it. They're not extremely intense highlighters, but they do have glitter in them. So I'll give you guys a close-up. So that's what it looks like. And this one here is a little bit holographic, it looks like. This one has a multi-glitter, but I wouldn't call it holographic. So that's what those look like. Then the last Octoly item is this eyeshadow palette right here, which is from Velvet 59. It's called the Biker palette. I had also received the Rose Metals palette from Velvet 59, and I'm testing both of these for an upcoming indie spotlight. This is actually on my eyes today, yeah, this, I actually used both of these for my eye look today, but I have been using this a little bit. I'm not gonna get too far into it because I do have a review coming up for you guys, but it is a really pretty little palette here. And it's just like cardboard packaging. And it's mostly neutrals. You do get this little pop of color with that hot pink in there, but mostly neutrals, a mixture of metallics and mattes. These two here are, this one and this one are your matte shades, and the rest are all metallics. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys what I have in this Boxycharm here, and this is the giveaway prize. So the winner of the giveaway will receive everything that's in this box. I just opened it up so I could show you what's in it. I haven't received the Boxycharm that I paid for yet. This is the one I got in PR, but I'm gonna keep the one that I received from, you know, myself, and then this one is for you guys. So the theme for this month is called Baycation. So that's kind of cute. All right, the first thing I thought was so cool that they included one of these. This is from Pretty Vulgar, and it's one of their blushes in the shade Make Them Blush. I'm not gonna swatch it, but I will open it so you can see. It's a very bright color. This is a retail value of $26. Do I have a blush from them? I feel like I do own one of their blushes. Or maybe it's a bronzer. I cannot remember, and everything's packed, so I can't even check, but I know for sure I have one of their bronzers. The next thing that came in the box this month is from South Main. This is a 3-pack of the eye gel packs. This is supposed to help reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. This retail value is $10. All right, the next thing that came in this box is this little set of eye brushes. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. It's the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set, and the retail value of this one is $23.15. That's really high retail value, but you are getting 3 brushes in there. So yeah, you get 3 eye brushes in that little set there. And then the next thing that came in this Boxycharm is from Bella Pierre. This is their volumizing mascara. This has a retail value of $20. I've tried a lot of Bella Pierre from subscription boxes. They're in there a lot, but I've never tried that mascara. All right, and then the very last thing, this is the most exciting. Boxycharm, you guys, Boxycharm kills it every month. So this here is the Pure Cosmetics Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. So it is a palette that they created just for Boxycharm. Oh, it's sealed, shoot. I wanted to actually show you guys the inside, but I don't want to, but because this is for a giveaway, I don't want to open the winner's like product. I don't want to break the seal on it. So I'll try to insert a picture if I can find one online, but that is a retail value of $36. So like I said, I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for years. I think that they are the best subscription out there. It is $21, which is kind of right in the middle, I feel like, as far as pricing for a box. But they always have over $100 value every time, and most of the time it's all products I will keep. Now, I might sometimes get rid of 1 or 2 items from the box, but in general, I keep the majority of what I get. So I can't say that about every subscription box I have tried. So I think Boxycharm is definitely worth checking out if you're not already subscribed to them. I will have a link down below that you can check out to subscribe. I will also have in the description box the link to enter this giveaway. As you guys know, I always use the site called gleam.io. That is my giveaway generator. It makes it so much easier for me to do these giveaways because of that service. So definitely click down there if you want to enter the giveaway. There's only one requirement, and that is that you're subscribed to my channel, and then all of the other entries are bonus entries to enter this giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching this PR haul. I do appreciate you guys so much watching this today, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.